Good morning, my dear students. I'm your teacher for the day, Eliza Grisel Pronto from BSED 2B. And our lesson is all about triangles. We're going to talk about its definition and its properties. So let's start. So what is triangle? A triangle is a fundamental polygon with three straight sides and three vertices. It is the simplest possible polygon, forming the basic building block for more complex shapes in geometry. So as you can see in the picture, these three straight lines connecting to each other, we called it the sides. And the three corners, we called it the vertices. So if you imagine you're a historical person and you will imagine the Pyramid of Giza located in Egypt because it is a triangle figure. And a lot of things you will imagine in this shape like the house roofs and more. And now, let's proceed to the triangles based on their lengths of sides. First, we have the right triangle. Right triangle contains one right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. This is the right angle. That is the 90 degrees. This long side, we called it the hypotenuse. It is essential for trigonometry. We can also use the Pythagorean theorem in calculating this triangle. Second, we have the acute triangle. This type of triangle, all three of its internal angles are less than 90 degrees. And you will see it here. We have the 50 degrees, 56, and 74. And lastly, we have the obtuse triangle. Obtuse triangle is opposite of acute triangle because it has one angle that measures greater than 90 degrees. Look at the figure. The two sides are 45 and 30, and the one is 105. It means that it is an obtuse triangle because it is greater than 90 degrees. Now, let's proceed to the triangles based on their angles measures. First, we have the isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles has at least two sides of equal length, and the angles opposite of these triangles are also equal. So it is we called it isosceles triangle theorem. Next, we have the equilateral triangle. It is the most symmetrical type of triangle because all three sides are equal length and all three internal angles are exactly 60 degrees. Since the total sum of angles in any triangles are 180 degrees. And lastly, we have the scalene triangle, where all its three sides are different lengths, and as the result of its internal angles are also has different measures. So that's all for my presentation, but before I end it, let's see if you really learn from the topic. You can answer this activity and figure out what kind of triangle is given in the pictures below. You can answer it at home. So that's all for my presentation. I hope you learn and thank you for listening. That's all.